an outdoor knife for the kitchen. This outdoor knife will go ahead and cut up meat. Skin out a deer, skin out a bear, skin out an elk. Oh yeah, and guess what? It's for the kitchen too. It works great. So here's the answers to your questions. This is the knife you can wear upon your side, go out hunting, fishing, and come back and cook with it in camp. Cut up the meat, cut up the vegetables, the whole thing. Here it is. I hope you enjoy.
The Kanzable Scandi grind, thin metal. It's a good, everyday, all-around field knife. It will skin game, cut meat, cut rope, do whatever it is you need to do. It's a lightweight bush knife, and it works very good. A lot of people always wonder about, well, can it cut this or that in the kitchen? Well, actually, these aren't designed to be kitchen knives, but they work very, very well. I'm amazed. Look at this tomato. Get her thin. Look at that. That's pretty good. This here is all-around knife, I'm telling you. And it's reasonably priced for $40, right around $40. Depends upon where you get it. I can just go like this. Pepper. Small tomatoes. Don't have any large ones. Use them up already. But look at this. Pretty good. Can't complain. Don't worry, we're going to eat this. Peppers. I do that to show you it's the real thing, not plastic. It's good. No problems whatsoever. Works for the kitchen. This is a good knife. Voted the best of the years from 2021, 2022, and 2023. You can do it. Kanzable Scandi grind. Burnt orange color. You can get any color that they have out there, green, black, what have you. But here it is. It's good. Nothing wrong with it whatsoever. Always clean your knife before and after you use it. Okay, the Kanzable by Mora. The Bushcraft Black by Mora. Yes, they will cut vegetables just as easy as they will cut meat on a caribou, on a moose, on a bear, on a deer, on an elk, what have you. They will work in the kitchen too. So, that's where we're at. We're just going to go ahead and show you. You ready for this? Here's the proof. Oh, how about that? That's pretty good, huh? Look at that. Slice right through there. You want it smaller? Look at that. That's a nice Kanzable. Bushcraft Black. It works. Carrot. Kanzable. Bushcraft Black. A little bit thicker, a little bit different grind, a little bit thinner, cuts better. Apple. See, it cuts. Bushcraft Black. Cuts a little bit harder just simply because it's a thicker blade. The thinner blades are what you want for the kitchen. Now, the Kanzable has the best of both worlds. This Bushcraft Black, a little bit more heavy duty, but it works great. Onion, oh, our favorite. Let's see what we can do here. Kanzable, a little bit thinner blade. Look at that. Right through there. Slice off my thumb, that'd be good. It's thinner. It cuts better. Bushcraft Black, it is still cut. Not as good. A little bit more resistance. You have to push through because it's thicker. It is still cut. Look at that. Thin. Onion. Good. Now all of this is good. It's well done knife building. Well done for the kitchen. But these are outdoor knives. Kanzable, in my opinion, is the better all-around knife. For bushcraft, you'd go with the carbon black because it's thicker, it's a little bit stronger. But this, the Kanzable, all-around #1 choice for the outdoors within $40. That's not bad at all. It's a good price. It's a good knife. Wish I owned some of the company. Thank you very much for watching.